Hi everyone, this is Priyanka working as Assistant Professor in SNS College of Technology in the Department of Information Technology. Today we are just going to see the lecture series in the subject Internet of Things. Your unit 1 is IoT Introduction and Applications. We are just going to see in detail about the overview and motivations of IPv6. First of all, let's see what is an IoT. IoT means Internet of Things. It means two devices are connected with the help of an internet in which it can be manually or automatically. Now let us consider an ARPANET in which it is connected to the institutions. Next, here the internet has connected several of kinds of users of all kinds seeking access to information and application of all kinds, in which here the next evolution to the connecting of things and objects that have well embedded wireless for connectivity to control systems that supports data collection, data analysis, and decision making and activation. Next coming the things that includes but not limited to machines, home appliances, vehicles, individuals, persons, pets, then cattle, animals, habitats, etc. and so on. This is a future challenges in which here let us see it is a preserving by the properties of next generation network, that is NGN, to the internet. Here the IoT has two attributes. First is being an internet application and then dealing with the things information. These are the two main attributes in which IoT consists of. In the overview and motivation, here we can see many things, that is servers, firewall. This is an IoT architecture in which it includes safety, a military, then vehicle area network, then weather flood disaster monitoring, then smart home appliances, supply chain, health, agriculture, food, livestock. All these comes under this IoT. IoT, it mainly covers all these things. In general, IoT it mainly consists of two challenges. That is, first view A and view B. In view A, they have said that IoT as a concept, whereas in the view B, they have said IoT as an infrastructure. It also includes H to H, M to M. IoT as an infrastructure means here we are just creating existing infrastructure is being just created, whereas next coming to the next comes the role of IPv6. Here the role of IPv6 is an abundant address spaces here. It is globally unique and that object or thing that can be identification. Next is here where it uses a permanent unique identifier, that is an object ID. It is called as OID. Next is unique network address. It is also important in this IPv6. Next comes IPv6. It mainly supports 2 to the power 32 and 10 to the power 10. NADR location, that is unique network address location, in which it can be identified uniquely. Next comes the IPv6. It mainly offers as much larger, that is 2 to the power 128 space. Here the number of available unique nodes addresses is 2 to the power 128 to 10 to the power 39. Next, let us see some of the advantages of IPv6. Next comes the advantages of IPv6. In this, it mainly consists of scalability, play and plug, security, mobility. First is the scalability, and it is expanded address capabilities. that is IPv6 has 128-bit addresses versus 32-bit IPv4 addresses. Whereas in the case of plug in and play, IPv6 includes a plug-and-play mechanism that facilitates the connection of equipments to the network. Next is the security. In this case, it mainly consists of IPv6 that includes required security in its specifications such as payload, encryption, and authentication. Next comes the mobility. In this, it mainly includes IPv6 that efficient, that is robust mobility mechanism and enhancement and that supports for mobile IP, specifically the set of mobile IPv6.